Hello all, welcome to the day 43 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 12. The question goes like this. Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 deducted for each incorrect answer, then Yash would have scored 50 marks. Let the number of right answers be x and the number of wrong answers be y. Based on the above scenario, answer the following questions. Question 1. Write the equations in terms of x and y. As per the question suggestion, the number of right answers is x and the number of wrong answers is y. Case 1. Yash scored 40 marks. 3 marks are awarded for each right answer and minus 1 for wrong answer. So the equation is 3x plus minus 1 times y is equal to 40. That is 3x minus y is equal to 40. Let's name this as equation 1. And case 2. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, that is 4x plus minus 2 times y is equal to 50. 4x minus 2y equal to 50. Dividing the entire equation by 2, we get 2x minus y is equal to 25. So these are the two equations in terms of x and y. Question 2. Represent them as matrix equations. In the matrix form, that is Ax equal to B form, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1 times x, y is equal to 40, 25, where A is the matrix 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1. X is x and y. And B is 40, 25. Question 3. Using the matrix method, find the number of right answers given by Yash. And fourth question, find the number of wrong answers given by Yash. That is, we have to find out x and y. The matrix equation Ax is equal to B, x is equal to A inverse of B. So for the matrix A, we have to calculate the A inverse. Let's get the determinant value for matrix A, which is minus 3 minus minus 2, which is equal to minus 1. So this is not equal to 0. We can proceed further. A inverse is 1 by determinant of A times adjoint A. To get the adjoint A, we have to get the cofactor of A and the transpose of it. Adjoint matrix of A is equal to the transpose of the cofactor matrix. Cofactor of A11, that is 3, is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 times minus 1, which is minus 1 itself. Cofactor of A12, that is minus 1, is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 times 2, which is minus 2. cofactor of a21, that is 2, is equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 times minus 1, which is 1, and cofactor of a22, that is minus 1, is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 times 3, which is 3. So adjoint A is the transpose of this matrix minus 1, minus 2, 1 and 3, which is minus 1 and 1 on the first row, minus 2 and 3 on the second row. A inverse is 1 by determinant of A times adjoint A, which is 1 by minus 1 times minus 1, 1, minus 2, 3, which becomes 1 and minus 1 on the first row and 2 and minus 3 in the second row. X is equal to A inverse B. A inverse is 1 minus 1, 2 minus 3 times B is 40 in the first row, 25 in the second row. On multiplying this, we get 40 minus 25 and 80 minus 75, which is 15 in the first row and 5 in the second row. This means that X, that is a number of right answers, is equal to 15. Y, that is a number of wrong answers, is equal to 5. Question number 5. How many questions were there in the test? Total number of questions is equal to X plus Y, which is 15 plus 5, that is 20. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.